Kanehu Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College for Skill Development Wahiajer West Giant Hill District kawaman kacnat Chlempure yang ka North Eastern Hills University Nehu Shillong hak arpau santrik depan kut ko ye sikai soor sikai thaiñ wan rusngi ko da sedang naduk ka khat kendetri uni ubenai watip kam ka handmade knitting and embroidery. I pengkut ia keni ke sikai manilek kam cibenta ikan mo buram ia kelengkho singka wacis pa phra ulit pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay waman waya khamat heyato wa penplia ye sap ipong. Wa ijab kani ke sikai to wa Professor PS Sukla Vice Chancellor Kanehu kamju ke University hi waro kawi wa MK angnot wa penku ye sap ipong haki benta wa pher de wa pengkup bor ye ki khon khenro kholot khnang yo yi ki uyen heyong ki hi kjan nei benta u kamai kaji langba ini cha sikai ki wachim benta da tip ki kamon usor we thaiñ penwandur ye ki muja ki sula ki that ki muna ki tupri wa ki wi we ye ki ni de pen yorong le hagani kasngi hagani kasngi penkut ye sikai kamju le ikan mu buram ya kasngi kha wachis pa phra ulit pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay de emlang le u colonel Omkar Singh retired registrar Nehu kamukongsan u Professor H Lamin retired founder principal in charge Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College kamu sembut kongsan we waro ar ongki isap wakam gani man gale cibenta kariti dustur hapo kari nei te hawa kalam e mensem kentu haro ki woman ki ya kre lang hakawan kawan ka benta wo chim khia ye kam wo ong myiu le hawa pen kemu ki ye iman ulit pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay kentu haro ki wo bot ya kanong munayong o nei baha han la to ubru wa mat boni e ikhule poi baj u chakathong de minot we kre chitom u kongsan pentikna haro o wanai liang kani hu da pteñ ko e kerchan ya ki pejba o chongchnong khnang yo nang ku ki ka principal ka Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College ka Professor SM Sungo u Dr. FR Sumer librarian Nehu usan wat ki lalu wa hechnong ka Wahiajer dapan singaw ki hajrong imahajon we man kerpang I kamsur we thaiñ hagri India we onggile wa dayarap ka jukstat wakat ni nadu irukom pelayaw I kamsur we thaiñ knitting and embroidery ha India kermen hi wat ha ka pateñ wawan dapan chongchit ya gani ka singi der wai I chat wa pher wada chimbenta da ki khenro kholot wa cha sikai wa lai pure ha gani ka community college we dapan kut de kalam I khublei na wellness rambai program coordinator ka Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College
kai yung wa chinong wa persang kursutia ya dini ki bru yung I sa gani ka dong snap yung I kata to gani kendro kesnabi jingklam ga principal in charge of vi wa kamnu ku jingim yung Deen Dayal Upadhyay manukai konsulat prasne merta membin empade seduk jinge baik ko yang atman uma yung o ku kachan yo henry ko mensin ko cerlang dia mo do ya pu hadu yo yung scholarship hadu yo ka award de ganito kuwar pun kersutia ye I katni wa hanpaya umto uman konsulat umto uman wudu umto ginu kijinge yo bru da em ko will power ke mo em ba kijing kwa ba kijing anglut ko yi pyndep hagisngi dipor hagijing mo mo tengah yenyen ne ini snaw program de lai ko karno watu nadu karno wajes dane chuje siteng do arduna wa aga penukot kijing kelam yung agam ni nga tayo founder wuriyo yu ye kijinge yung gini kisnam ko daw poy baru demat le kijinge ngam kwa o kana ye history go nga ko redep mado andre nga redep mado kata mado de kwa mkwa de ki ujenjar bi kamo jenjar isinong yung ato sinong bendong ba semukro nonggi yung bi betar nga warsor ba nga semukro dini agini saja indong masih mukro sedang ikut sekolah le citai no sedang le gimi juan ke program dong snabi nga te kai founder yung gani ga Deen Dayal Upadhyay Community College for Skill Development kerpat ebiru kani doni so ba I request you I pray for your aspiration kindly cooperate with all the scheme and program that the Deen Dayal is introducing. Kata to kobi. Take it seriously, unearnestly, and do it honestly, whatever work that has been entrusted to you. Do not have in mind that you will be nowhere. No. Our experts are here. People who will guide you there. Their market is very much open to you. I request you to take it seriously, and if you take it seriously and have the sense of belongingness that it is for you, this college is being installed, I think things will move in the days to come. Please take my word in a simple way. I cut short. Think that this institute is yours. Think that the future is yours. Think that whatever we do is not for yourself only, for the generation to come.
Birth anniversary of Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Now we all know that Deen Dayal Upadhyay was born in the year 1916 on this very date, that is September 25. He was born in a village which is called Nagla Chandraban. Now it's called Deen Dayal Dham in Mathura district. Now this Mathura district is a little further away from Mathura, maybe around 30 kilometers from Mathura. And here we have seen that, Deen Dayal is a person who comes from a Brahmin family. His father, named Bhagwati Prasad Upadhyay, was an astrologer, and his mother, Rampyari Upadhyay, was a homemaker and an observant Hindu. But unfortunately, both his parents passed away when he was just 8 years old, and after this he was brought up by his maternal uncle. Now his education was under the guardianship of his maternal uncle, and we can see that Upadhyay was a very intelligent student.
What has not been brought out is, once his studies were completed, he got into a vocation. Why I am using vocation, not a job? Because it was just for him to draw that kind of money from that job which he could survive. His rest of the earnings were given to the people whom he was looking after to uplift. He used his earnings in the upliftment of people to generate, to give them some kind of skills so that they could become self-sufficient. Subsequent to, one more aspect is, though even in those days the life expectancy was not as long as it is today, but even from those standards, he didn't live long. He died at a very early age. And in such a youthful age, if you could do as much, today we have much more opportunities, we have better facilities available. So I am sure we also can achieve much more. When I say we, all of us,